My name is Michael Harreo. I am the Apex Engineering and Hydrogen Services Manager, and I oversee all of our technical operations for our Air Products Express Services group. Apex, also known as Air Products Express Services, is the temporary gas division for Air Products. We supply our customers with temporary gas solutions on a short-term basis via mobile equipment. We have nitrogen pumper equipment, mobile ambient vaporizers, and mobile CHC cryogenic hydrogen compressor trailers. Our customer is a refiner in the U.S. who operates 4 refineries. We've been supplying this customer temporary hydrogen for over 10 years to help their various refineries during their turnaround activities. Hydrogen in the refining space is extremely crucial for the hydrotreating process to make ultra-low sulfur diesel and ultra-low sulfur gasoline. Backup supply for our customers is crucial, where it allows them to avoid large amounts of downtime, which results in a large amount of lost revenue. The mobile CHC utilizes Air Products cryogenic hydrogen compressor, which has been developed for over 40 years, so we have that expertise in that technology, and we were the first ones to mobilize that compressor onto a trailer. The mobile CHC trailer is a differentiator due to the fact that it could respond to the customer's flow rates. Unlike our competitors' products, we could manipulate flow from 20,000 standard cubic foot an hour all the way up to 300,000 standard cubic foot an hour during the operation. Building a relationship with the gas supplier is crucial in the sense that we could develop a partnership. We could have a plan in place in the event they need temporary nitrogen, oxygen, argon, or hydrogen. This is crucial for customers to safely execute projects such as inerting, purging, hot stripping, and also supplying them hydrogen to keep actual process units running.